welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix 007 first light gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first method is to restart your PC. So for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to update your controller driver. So for that, first you need to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option, search for device manager. After that, here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and after that launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If the issue still continues, come back again, select the default settings and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check whether gamepad is working or not. Next is to remove your controller and add it again. For that, go to the search for settings. Now here you click on Bluetooth and devices. From here you have to remove your controller. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC and again go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else and here you have to add your controller and after that check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update, click on check for updates and wait for some time. After your Windows is updated, now launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. So after going to Steam, here you can see an update option is there, so you simply have to click on it and wait for some time. Once your game is updated, after that launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in a browser or even you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the download option. Once DS4 Windows tool is downloaded, you have to open it and install it. After installing it, connect your controller and update it. Once done, launch 007 first light game and after that check for the error whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.